Hi all, welcome to ELK Stack Tutorials. Are you tired of searching along for a better tutorial which is easy to understand as a beginner in the ELK stack? It's the right place to move forward. So let's not waste time by a long intro. Let's start to learn how to create a dashboard with all major visualization elements in 4 simple steps. To start with, first install your Elastic and Kibana on your machines. To move fast, we are now demonstrating how to install the Kibana and Elastic. First, go to your Kibana dashboard, where you can see the option to try sample data. Just click on the same. Here you would need to select the dataset and add those to your Elastic. Here also we can have a choice to view the data. Here in Kibana, the first area to start with is Discover, where you can view all the data sets added to your Elastic, discover all data, filter them, and much more. Now let the main fields which the data should be filtered by just pressing the plus button over the available fields. You can select the date range to filter the data on the selected fields. Let's filter the data from Discover and save the filter search. Just add your columns to search and filter conditions as mentioned. On clicking over the Inspect at the top right navigation, you can view your row queries and data done behind to fetch the result. On clicking over the Inspect at the top right navigation, you can select the date range to filter the data on the selected fields. Let's try some KQL queries. This is actually to filter data based on your needs. We can use the Add button, plus button to add the filters. Now you can save the search by clicking the Save. Make sure you make use of tags. You can use the tags so that it's easy in the future to filter the saved searches. Here I am giving the title My First Filter. Also creating the tags with the name Tutorial 2. Now press Create tag. Click on the save. Now we can see the search is saved. To find the saved searches, just click on Open at the top navigation. Now it's time for visualization. To start with this, you need to navigate with Analysis. Visualize Library. Here you can see the sample visualizations saved previously and the one that you have added from the sample at our first step. Now just click on the Create Visualization and you can see various options for visualizations like Lens, Map, TSVB, Custom Visualization, Aggregation Based, and Tools, Text, etc. To start with, let's use Aggregation Based. So on clicking the Aggregation menu, you will be displayed with options like Area, Data Table, Pie, etc. Let's first start with the data table. Now just select which dataset you need to visualize. Let's select the flight dataset which we have added in step 1. Here on the left you can view the preview of the data table, and on the right you can add the field and aggregation to view the table. On the right, the metrics and the bucket are the main sections where you add the conditions. Just click Add in Bucket, select Split Row and select the aggregations to terms, followed by selecting a field on which you need to filter the count. Here we are selecting desk country and setting the limit to 10. To have an advanced option, you can click over Options in the side menu. Right now, I'm just enabling the total count. You can play over with it to learn more. Just don't forget to save the visualization that we have created. Not save this with the proper name and tag so that we can use this to create a dashboard in our last step. You can add the savings to the existing dashboard. As starting, we could have the option None, so that it's added as a fresh copy, not linked to any other dashboards. Just select Tutorial 2, then save and add to library. Now let's try a vertical bar. As done before, go to the visualization library and click Aggregation followed by vertical bar. As mentioned before, here so you can view the visualization or preview on the left side and option to add conditions on the right side. Now select Add in Buckets and select X-axis. Select Aggregations as terms. And select the field as Dist Airport Limited ID. This can be changed based on your needs and click on Update at the bottom. Now you can see the visualizations has been updated. Now it's time to save the visualization.